Hi friends, this is Srinivas. Today I am going to solve methods of dispersion short answer questions. So page number 25, question number 1. Here given question is compute coefficient of range from the following. So here income values are given 24, 40, 55, 70, 85, 100, 115, 130. So here these values are given. With the help of this, we are going to calculate coefficient of range. So first of all, we have to know coefficient of range formula. Coefficient of range equal to L minus S divided by L plus S. So here L means largest item, that is 130, minus S means smallest item, that is 24, divided by L means same 130 plus 24. Okay, so let us calculate 130 minus 24. It is 106, 106, divided by total of these two, how much it is? 154. Okay, so here 106 divided by 154, so that answer is 0.688. So that is the answer. Okay, right. Next question, question number 2. Find quartile deviation from the following. So here they are asking is quartile deviation. So Q1 value 80.5 given, Q3 value is 87.5, Q2 value 82.5 given. So here Q3 means lower quartile, Q3 means upper quartile, Q2 means median. Okay, so here they are asking is quartile deviation. So quartile deviation, QD stands for quartile deviation, equal to formula Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. So Q3 value is how much it is? 87.5 minus Q1 means 80.5 divided by 2. So here 87.5 minus 80.5, that value is 7. So 7 divided by 2, so 7 divided by 2 value is, it is 3.5. Okay, so in this question they are asking only quartile deviation. So next one more, calculate coefficient of quartile deviation. Coefficient of quartile deviation, quartile deviation. So here formula is Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. Okay, so that is the formula. So 80, Q3 means it is 87.5 minus Q1 80.5 divided by 87.5 plus 80.5. So here value is 87.5 divided by 80.5, that value is 7, divided by total of these two, that is 87.5 plus 80.5, here value is 168. Okay, so finally answer is 7 divided by 168, so that answer is 0.0416. So that is the answer. Next question, question number 3, that is if Q1 equal to 30 and Q3 equal to 50, find the quartile deviation and its coefficient. So here they are asking is quartile deviation and coefficient. So let us calculate quartile deviation. QD equal to formula is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. So here Q3 value is how much? 50 minus Q1 value is 30 divided by 2. Okay. So 50 minus 30 it is 20. 20 divided by 2, that value is 10. Okay. Right. Next, coefficient of quartile deviation. Coefficient of quartile deviation. So formula is Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. Okay, that is the formula. So Q3 means it is 50 minus Q1 means 30 divided by 50 plus 30. Okay, right. So 50 minus 30 it is 20 divided by 50 plus 30 it is 80. So 20 by 80 answer is 0.25. Next question. So question number 6, same chapter. Calculate coefficient of mean deviation through mean when arithmetic mean is 4400. So mean deviation is 240. So what they are asking? They are asking is coefficient of mean deviation. Coefficient of mean deviation. Formula is x bar mean deviation divided by mean deviation divided by mean. So mean. So mean deviation value is 240 divided by mean means arithmetic mean, that is 4400. So finally answer is it is 240 divided by 4400. So answer is 0.0545. So that is the answer. Next question. So question number 7. Calculate median coefficient dispersion when mean deviation is 7.2 and median is 20. So here given median, right? So median coefficient equal to mean deviation divided by median. So mean deviation value is 7.2 divided by median value is 20. So 7.2 divided by 20. So here answer is 0.36.